Hi guys, this will be a tour of the excellent Punta Cana. Since we are the excellent member, we were sent to the excellent lounge for check-in. Some history about the excellent collection resorts in Dominican Republic. There are 3 resorts in total, and excellent Punta Cana is the oldest resort that was opened in 2000, followed by the excellent Al Carmen in 2016 and the newest finance Punta Cana in 2021. The first room I'll show you is the excellent club master suite with 2 double beds. Next, this is a room tour of the Excellence Club Junior Suite. If you watched my last video on the Finance Punta Cana, as you can see, they are very similar in terms of the style, just like the Finance Punta Cana, because it has underwent a 45 million renovation in 2017. The exterior view of the excellent Punta Cana remains its colonial Caribbean style, while excellent Al Carmen and Finance has more modern style. All 3 of them offer similar features like the restaurant, identical spas, and fitness center. Lastly, let's tour around the resort.